Did you know that only 7% of our viewers are actually subscribed? We love creating content for you and want to keep doing it, but we need your support to grow our channel so we can make ends meet. So, if you enjoy our videos and want to see more, please consider subscribing and liking our videos. Thanks for your support.
Hi and welcome to another Cycle Maintenance Academy video. I'm Arek and today I'm going to show you how to remove a front wheel from your electric bike. Okay, let's start. Tools required: 2.5mm and 3mm Allen keys and a crosshead screwdriver. These are useful for adjusting and moving the controller and other components on the handlebar before turning the bike upside down. Side cutters or scissors. These tools are handy for cutting cable ties that secure the electric motor wire. 18mm spanner. Typically an 80mm spanner is used to undo and tighten electric bike wheel nuts. Keep in mind that some electric bike wheels may require different size spanner. Rags or a piece of cardboard. Place them under the handlebar and saddle of your electric bike when you flip it upside down to protect the surfaces from scratches or damage. Preparation. Before you turn the e-bike upside down, first make sure that the electric bike is turned off. Turn or remove the controller and other accessories and devices if you have them on your handlebar. If possible, remove the battery from the e-bike. If you have a lock, panniers and other accessories attached to the bike, remove them as well. This will make your electric bike lighter. If you have rim brakes, release them to allow the tire to move past the pads. Check out our video here if you're not sure how to undo V-brakes. Put rags or cardboard on the floor to prevent damaging the saddle and handlebars. Now turn the e-bike over. Grasp the bike under the brake calipers and turn it over in one move. Removing the front hub motor electric bike wheel. Release the wire from the fork by either undoing the clip or cutting the cable tie that secures it. Disconnect the motor cable connector, which is where the motor wire connects to the bike's electrical system. If your bike has a nut and wire protector, remove it from the wheel nut. Stand in front of the e-bike and position the spanner horizontally on the left-hand side of the wheel axle, positioning away from you. Hold the fork with one hand and turn the spanner anti-clockwise with the other to loosen the left nut, but don't remove it. Proceed to loosen the second nut on the right side of the wheel using the same anti-clockwise motion. Hold the rim firmly and lift the wheel clear of the forks in a straight motion. In some cases, if you have a very wide tire, even with the brakes released, it can still be challenging to remove the wheel. In this case, you may need to deflate the tire before attempting to remove the wheel. Thanks for staying all the way to the end. Write in the comments below how you got on removing the front wheel from your electric bike. Help us to grow our channel by becoming our patron. Click the link on the screen. Thanks!